So we're going to learn Russian sailor dance on page 41. Right, so the finger position, left hand is 2 on A. Yeah? And then 1, I bet you know, that's C, middle C, yeah? Okay. I think this is pretty straightforward. So let's just begin. A, number 2, left hand, and then 1 on C, middle C, yeah? So A here, number 2 left hand, and then number 1 on middle C, yeah? Okay, first row first. Slowly, that's staccato, yeah? Staccato, 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 legato, down B, staccato, 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 staccato. Okay, that's it. So if you notice, on measure 3, there is G sharp, this one, yeah? The G sharp, if there is no natural after that note and it's within the 1 bar, then it's still F sharp, F sharp, it's still G sharp, sorry about that. So you press G sharp 4 times on measure 3. The same with measure 4, there is no natural in that bar, so you keep the G sharp. So G sharp, B, A, G sharp. Yeah? So you keep playing the G sharp instead of natural G. Let's do first row one more time. Legato, staccato, 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 staccato. Alright, I hope that's pretty clear. Let's move on to the next row. Staccato. Number 3, G sharp again. Let's do that one again, yeah? Second row, careful on the legato and staccato. G sharp, G sharp again. Alright, let's move on to this third row. For this one, I wanna try playing one hand at a time. So right hand first is C and E together. Yeah, forte, so it's very loud. Not very, it's loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's the right hand. Let's do left hand now. Press. Staccato. Alright, let's try playing it slowly, both hands. That's pretty clear. Yeah, so measure 9, it's this note, and measure 11, it's this. Yeah, so staccato, staccato, staccato. Let's try again. The last row, let's do one hand at a time. Right hand first. 1, C, 3, 4, rest. Rest, E, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now we go to the left hand, last row. let's do it both hands slowly. Let's do that last row one more time. That's really cool. Let's do from the beginning to the end slowly. Okay, ready? And then we'll do it fast because it says quickly with energy, yeah, but slowly first. Forte, louder. So I will play it faster, yeah? It says quickly with energy. I'm going to play it pretty fast, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun with this song. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Let's try again.